Hi everybody, it's Mrs. Myers. I am here to teach you a new workplace game. This game is called Sort the Sum. As a friendly reminder, you do need to play this game online for the board part, but also included in your packets. You should have this part as something that you can use and write if that works easier for you. Okay, well, let's get started, boys and girls. Your job is going to be to pick a domino and count it. And then if you're able to place it in the correct spot, then you'll do that. Okay, so we'll talk more as we go. So one of the things Ms. Sherman and I really want you to start being able to do is starting to pick up on domino patterns and starting to be able to count these dominoes quickly. Okay, and so I recognize that this is a 4 and this is a 3. So I could say 4, 5, 6, 7. There is a 7 on our board, so we're going to move that and we're going to place it there. And you see that little arrow, right? So we're going to click on that and tilt it and turn it. So now we have 1 in our 7 spot. We're trying to fill up all of these today. And so you notice that these shaded areas, you don't have to have a domino. So you only need 2 9s and 2 10s. Okay, let's see what we get next. All right, here I got 3 plus 2. Well, 3 plus 2 is 5. That's not a choice today, so I'm going to put that one over to the side. You're going to end up getting numbers that won't fit on the game board, and that's okay. That's great practice for that quick recognition of the 2 dominoes, or the 2 numbers on the dominoes. Oh, 4 and 4, that's a double. We're working on double facts this month. So 4 plus 4 is 8. Awesome. So I'm going to place that in the 8 section. I'm going to tilt that. Okay, and you can always move it if you don't like where it's at. Perfect. All right, here's our next one. Oh, 5 plus 3. I'm going to start with the biggest number, 5, and count on. So 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm going to move that into this next 8 box and put that there. Okay, all right, so we're going to keep turning. I got 3 plus 3. I know that's a double. 3 plus 3 is 6, so Mrs. Myers is going to put that there. Okay, let's pick a new one. Oh, double blank. 0 plus 0 is 0. 2 plus 0 is 2, right? When we add nothing to that number, it stays the number. 1 plus 1 is 2. So remember, I told you we'd probably get some numbers that were not going to be on the board. 5 plus 4, so 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We got our first 9. Okay. All right, let's keep going. We'll do a few more together. 6 plus 1 is 7. Awesome. Ooh, 6 plus 4. Remember, if you're counting on, try and count on with the biggest number first. So 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Got our first 10. I'm going to turn that. Okay, let's do 2 more. Ooh, 4 plus 2, 4, 5, 6. Let's do 1 more. 2 plus 1 is 3. I should have said 1 more that we can get on the board. How about 5 and 5? We all know 5 plus 5 is 10. Nice job. Now, boys and girls, the game is not over because you can see that I still have some blank spots that I need to get. So you would, in a normal situation, keep playing this. But because this is a video and I don't want to be talking for a long time for you, I'm going to stop that part of it because I think by now you probably have an idea of how that works. Okay, so now the second part. This is where if you want that paper part, you can grab that. Otherwise, you can fill it out right up here. So it's kind of confusing in that they have 1, 2, 3, 4. So if you were playing this by yourself, boys and girls, you're just going to do number 1 and number 2. If you were playing with a family member, you would still do number 1 and number 2, and your family member would do number 3 and number 4 because they're the same questions, okay? So here's what you have to do. You have to choose, it says choose 6, 7, or 8, and write the 3 equations that you got. Now, we ended this game early, so you can see in all those sections, I only got 2. So I'll show you an example of what you need to do. So let's do 6, okay? I got 3 and 3, so that would be 3 plus 3 is 6. And gosh, I'm going to use the pen. You guys know that I struggle with the pen. Let's see if I even chose the right one. I don't know if I did. Nope. Oh gosh, Mrs. Myers, so bad with the pen. Okay, so I'm going to take that and I'm going to say, why is it not working for me? Oh, I tell ya. Let's try this one again. Mrs. Myers, you have such a hard time with the pen. Let's see. Oh gosh, why? Why, Mr. Pen? There we go. I did it. Okay, sometimes you got to be gritty. So I got 3 plus 3 is 6. And then my next one was 4 plus 2 is 6, right? Okay. Now, you guys would have another one that you would write right there, but because we ended that early, I don't have one. I could make one up for you. I know 5 plus 1 is 6, but you would have another domino. And then the last thing that you need to do is it says draw a picture of your favorite domino on this game board and then write an equation to match it. Well, my favorite one is 5 plus 5. I love that double. So I'm going to copy this one. Okay, so you can see that it has 4 dots, 1 in each corner, and then a dot in the middle. So I'm going to make another one of the same. There we go. And then I have to write an equation. 5 plus 5 is 10. All right. And then that would be the end of your game. Now remember, if you were playing with someone in your family, they could do this also over here. Okay. All right, boys and girls, I hope you understand how to play this now, and let Miss Sherman and I know if you have any questions. Okay. Bye-bye, everybody. Have a great rest of your day. I'll see you soon.